Hello everybody, GGP here. For this video, we'll be building this cute crab Lego that I found on Temu. When I've received it in the mail, it came in a resealable plastic bag. It contains the manual, stickers, and the Lego pieces. There are two versions you can build. One is a transformer, and the other is the crab. For this video, I will only be building the crab. The instruction seems easy enough to follow, but we'll see throughout this video if it is or not. The Lego pieces are contained in 5 bags. I think it's done that way to keep the pieces separate. Gradually throughout this video, I just opened all of them up and just put them in one pile. Time to start building. I'll speed up the video so it won't feel so long. The Lego feels solid and they attach to each other securely. I pick up the pieces that are needed to build this particular part, then assemble it. The bags holding the Lego pieces feel very secure. It's not easy to open like a packet of crisps. It looks like a slug now. Sorry if I keep moving the crab's body out of shot. I sometimes forget to check the camera. The crab's body is starting to take shape. I start using the stickers, first placing one on the crab's forehead. Now the crab looks like a flying saucer. The stickers make the crab look so good. The crab is starting to take shape. Looks like the crab's body is finished. Now time to start building the crab's claws. Despite the instructions are clear, the brown on the illustrations is rather dark. It makes it hard to see the black outline, so I would sometimes get the Lego pieces mixed up. Uh-oh, one of the pieces didn't form properly. You can see it in the comparison here. Luckily for me, I used superglue to fix the problem. I feel this is okay, as I don't plan to disassemble the crab after this video. One crab claw done, time to work on the other. Other crab claw done. Now building the legs. I start off with the front legs. Front legs done, time for the next sponge. Attaching the legs to the body was satisfying. Now building the final pair of legs. I won't lie, at this point, my fingers were feeling very tired. But that's a good thing, because it requires firm pressure to connect the Legos together, which makes it very secure. Ta-da! The crab is finished! The crab looks exactly like the picture I saw on Temu. I'm very happy on how it turned out. Other than that one deformed Lego part, the crab felt very solid and very sturdy. Doesn't feel like it will fall apart. I rate my building experience a 4 out of 5 stars. This will make a great gift for children and people who love to build. The crab is not the only design you can buy from Temu. It's part of a series called Marine Animals. There are so many designs you can buy. There's a blue whale, a sea turtle, a flagfish, seahorse, clownfish, cuttlefish, great white shark, dolphin, lobster, devilfish, and lastly, starfish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. I'll appreciate it so much. Hope you have a wonderful day, and see you later. Bye bye.